Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, this is the track 10 of learning Microsoft Excel tricks. In this trick we will learn that how to apply borders to cells. Borders plays a very important role while you have to uh, enclose your numbers or text in a box. So as you can see, there is no the grid lines are off, so we have to open the grid lines. So we will go to the view, and in view we will go to the show, and in show we will click on the grid lines. Now you can see the grid lines are now visible, and now we have to make it now hide. So now you can see that the grid lines has been not visible now, and it has been hidden from here. So let's suppose this is a cell and we want to apply the borders. So in the home tab, in the font category of tools, this is what we call as the borders. From here you can provide the borders when you click on these drop down buttons. So you can see these are the different options available associated with the borders. So provide bottom borders, the first one, provide top borders, provide left, right borders, provide no borders, all borders, outside borders. So these are the different options available in the borders tab. So if you want to apply the bottom border, so you will click, and now you can see this is the bottom border of this cell. So the border has been applied. Now in this cell, if you want to apply, so let's go on this side. So let's suppose this is a cell and you want to apply the borders on the top, so you will click on the top. Now you can see the top border has been provided. Now if you want to apply the uh, left border, so you will select the cell and will click on the left borders. Now you can see the left border has been provided and the top border has been already provided. So you will select the same cell now, and then if you want to apply the right border, so you will click on the right border. So now you can see the right border has been applied. So you will select now this cell again, and now if you want to apply the bottom border, so you will click on the bottom bar. Now you can see the bottom border has been applied, and if you want to remove all the borders, so you will click on the no borders. So now you can see the border has been removed. So you will select the cell, and now if you want to provide all borders, so you will click on this one button. Now you can see the 4 borders has been applied to the cell. And now if you want to apply the thick box border, so you will click on this, and now you can see this is the normal borders to a cell, and this is the apply the thick borders to this cell. And the different other options available in the borders, so you can provide the bottom double borders. So if you click on the bottom double borders, now you can see these double bottom border has been applied to this cell, and these are the double thick bottom borders, top and bottom borders, top and thick bottom borders. Next one is the top and double bottom borders. So now other options available that you can draw your own borders. Draw border grid, erase borders, line colors, line style, and more borders. So these are the different options associated with the borders you can apply or remove depending on your requirements. So this was all about that how to provide the borders. And now if you have any question you can ask in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video.